Lettuce, a green powerhouse for health and wellness. Lettuce, one of the most common and versatile leafy greens, is more than just a salad ingredient. Packed with nutrients, vitamins, and antioxidants, lettuce has been used for centuries as a natural food for health and wellness. While often underestimated, this humble vegetable offers a wide range of benefits for the body, mind, and overall well-being. Lettuce belongs to the Lactuca sativa family and comes in many varieties, including romaine, butterhead, iceberg, and leaf lettuce. Each type provides unique textures, flavors, and nutrient profiles, but all share remarkable health-promoting properties. Lettuce is low in calories but high in vitamins C and K, as well as folate and fiber. This combination makes it an ideal choice for anyone looking to maintain a balanced diet while supporting key bodily functions. One of the primary benefits of lettuce is its ability to promote hydration and skin health. With a water content of over 90%, lettuce helps maintain proper hydration levels in the body, supporting healthy skin, hair, and nails. Vitamins A and C in lettuce contribute to skin repair, collagen production, and protection against environmental damage, leaving the skin looking fresh, radiant, and nourished. Lettuce is also beneficial for heart health. It contains compounds like potassium and folate, which help regulate blood pressure and support cardiovascular function. Potassium acts as a natural vasodilator, relaxing blood vessels and improving circulation, while folate helps reduce homocysteine levels in the blood, which is linked to a lower risk of heart disease. Regular consumption of lettuce as part of a balanced diet can contribute to a strong, healthy heart over time. Digestive health is another area where lettuce shines. The high fiber content of lettuce supports regular bowel movements, aids digestion, and promotes a healthy gut microbiome. Fiber also helps regulate blood sugar levels, making lettuce a valuable food for those managing diabetes or seeking to maintain steady energy throughout the day. Leafy greens like lettuce act as natural prebiotics, providing nourishment for beneficial gut bacteria, which in turn supports immune function and overall digestive health. Lettuce is known for its calming and restorative properties as well. Certain varieties, such as romaine and butterhead, contain lactucarium, a natural compound with mild sedative effects. This compound may help reduce stress, promote relaxation, and improve sleep quality when consumed as part of a balanced diet. While not a replacement for medical treatment, lettuce can complement healthy lifestyle practices that support mental and emotional well-being. In addition to these benefits, lettuce supports weight management and metabolic health. Low in calories and high in water and fiber, lettuce creates a feeling of fullness without contributing excess calories. It can be incorporated into a variety of dishes, salads, wraps, smoothies, and even soups, allowing for creative, nutrient-dense meals that promote satiety and support healthy weight goals. Lettuce also contains antioxidants such as beta-carotene and polyphenols, which help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. By reducing oxidative stress, these antioxidants contribute to cellular health, slow the aging process, and protect against chronic diseases such as cancer, cardiovascular disorders, and neurodegenerative conditions. Eating a diet rich in leafy greens like lettuce is a simple yet effective way to harness the power of nature for long-term health. Moreover, lettuce is incredibly versatile and easy to include in everyday meals. Its crisp texture and mild flavor make it suitable for a wide range of culinary applications. From fresh garden salads to sandwiches, wraps, and smoothies, lettuce adds both nutrition and freshness to your diet. For maximum benefits, choosing organic or locally grown lettuce ensures minimal pesticide exposure and higher nutrient content, supporting both personal health and sustainable farming practices. Lettuce is also beneficial for bone health. Rich in vitamin K, lettuce supports calcium absorption and bone mineralization, reducing the risk of fractures and promoting strong, healthy bones. It also contains trace minerals such as magnesium and manganese, which are essential for maintaining skeletal integrity and metabolic functions. In conclusion, lettuce is much more than a common leafy vegetable. It is a natural powerhouse, offering hydration, skin protection, heart support, digestive benefits, stress reduction, antioxidant protection, weight management, and bone health. Incorporating lettuce into your daily diet provides a simple, natural, and effective way to enhance overall wellness. By choosing lettuce as part of a balanced diet, you harness the power of this green superfood to nourish your body, protect your health, and support a vibrant, energetic lifestyle. Its centuries-long history as a nutritious food is a testament to its value, and modern research continues to confirm its wide-ranging benefits. Lettuce truly is nature's gift, offering essential nutrients and promoting holistic health in every crisp,